All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your micro SD card from your GoPro Hero 13 Black. It's pretty simple. You're going to look at the front of the GoPro camera. You can see there's the lens. On this side, you're going to see the on button. You're going to go to the opposite side. You're going to see there's a little lip there. And what you've got to do is get your thumbnail in there, and you're going to push it hard up, bam. Then it's going to pop open just like that. And then if you look just above the battery, you can see the micro SD card. Now, you might be able to get your thumb in there and just pop on it, and it'll pop up. But it's kind of hard to get it out of there with your fingers unless you got, especially if you got fat fingers. And so what I kind of do is I use this little tool here to kind of pull it up like that. And then I can just reach in and grab it just like this. And bam, Bob's your uncle. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.